Okay, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about the security settings that Microsoft imposes on us. So when I open up a toolbox that, for example, I'm opening up for the first time, whether it's my trunk toolbox that I always go to, or maybe a backup toolbox that I've labeled with a different name and that's in a different location, if I haven't set it up so that this is a trusted location, I'm going to see this every time I open it. Now, it's tempting to say stop all macros, but the toolbox functions on macros, so we don't want to click that. So you click this X, and then Options opens up Enable this content. And this is something that Microsoft does for anything that has macros in it. Now, if you click OK, the toolbox will open and you'll be able to work with it, but the next time you open it up, that will show up again. So let's set up the folder that the toolbox that we're going to be working from is a trusted location. So to do that, you click on this Microsoft ball up here in the upper left, then you go down to Access Options and you click that, and then these are options that are the default for access, and the same thing exists for Word and Excel. And we want to go over here to this Trust Center, and we're going to click on Trust Center Settings, and then we're going to click on Trusted Locations, and then you see I've got quite a few trusted locations already, but I want to add a new one, so I'm going to click Add New Location. And then the last one I added was for a folder called Carmen, but I'm going to browse and add a new folder, which is on my C drive, because I want to call the Tribal Data Toolbox 2.1 folder a trusted location. So every time I click on it, I don't have to go through this. So I'm going to go to my computer, and then I'm going to click on the C drive. And then I'm going to find Tribal Data Toolbox version 2.1, and I'm going to say OK. And then I'm going to say subfolders are also trusted, and you don't have to do this, it just saves time in the long run. And then I'm going to say OK and OK. Now when I open up the toolbox in one of these trusted locations folders, I don't have to go through this Enable Macros again and again.